Welcome to our tutorial on updating your full name in the Orbitz app. Whether you've recently changed your name or need to correct a typo, we'll guide you through the process of editing your personal details directly within the app. Let's get started. First, open the Orbitz app on your smartphone. Next, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right. Then, find the Personal Details section. Tap on it to access your personal information. In the Personal Details section, locate the fields labeled First Name and Last Name. Enter your new name in these fields. Finally, scroll down and tap on the Save button to confirm your changes. Your updated name will now be reflected in your Orbitz account. By following these steps, you can ensure your personal details are accurate and up to date for all future bookings.